everyone, the Duke here. Today I'm back with another scooter video. Today I have some parts in because I was trying to make this thing faster and I decided if I can freaking. So I wanted to make this thing faster, but I wanted to do it the easy way because the hard way is getting a big bore kit. And while that will definitely make it faster, it's not really easy. So I figured, what would be better than to replace the exhaust with a brand or new one that's aftermarket? Because I mean, look at this thing, it's a piece of garbage. And you know, that hole, there's no comparison there. Also, I'd replace the air intake system right here. I just would completely remove it and get like a little Canon air filter one. Also, future video incoming on that one. Now, I'm not gonna be able to test the performance on this, which is unfortunate, because for some reason the engine is not running at full capacity and I have no idea what could be causing that. All right, I got a 12 millimeter. That's it. I'm gonna have to crank on this. Yeah, very nice. It looks like there's two little bolts. And I'm gonna need a really long sort of bit to get to them. Hey, Spider. Oh, where'd he go? Spider, bro, come back. Right here. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using a 10 millimeter to the little tiny adapter to a big adapter to a long piece. Not janky. Janky? What's that? Okay, so now that those are removed, I forgot that piece right there. So I believe I can just take off this abomination, put on my 12 millimeter, go. All right, there comes that thing. Now, hey, that's pretty nasty. I don't know, there's just something comical about how freaking tiny this thing is. Let's try the, let's get the new one out. I'm gonna be very careful with this one, because look at it, it's super clean. It's even got a darker gloss than the main bike itself. Now that's nice and clean. This is how it fits in there. Maybe I could just zip tie it. Would that be too janky? No. But come on, man, look at that, that's so stupid. Ugh. The fact that this one is even assured to fit, I mean, because I guess if we look at it, yeah, Comes with these, oh, it's a clamp. I'm guessing this gasket is gonna go right there, and you have these screws and washers that are gonna go through it. Okay, so this is what this is looking at, like right here. I'm gonna get some Allen bits. All right, Craftsman has come to save the day with their tools. Ooh, these are nice. Let's see if this will go in there. Yeah, it does. Ooh, what size is this? I think it's a 3/16. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do here, take off the stupid 12 millimeter, stick on this thing. That's not bad looking, actually. I dig the way that looks. And actually, I freaking forgot. I want to hear this thing straight piped. So I'm gonna undo it. But the good thing is, I've actually realized, I don't know what that thing would be for. I'll take that off. We can actually use, I think, the factory bolts, which will be freaking awesome. That'll make my life so much easier. Here's what this thing sounds like cut off. I want to hear it. Absolutely awful. It's a cute little fart cannon. It's my fart cannon. Yeah, this will be super easy now. Because I'm having to bend the metal slightly, which I'm not looking for, which I don't like. All right, we got one bolt in, which honestly might be good enough. That one's not going in over there, but one bolt honestly is good enough. So let's try this thing. I want to hear what the new exhaust sounds like. Not bad. That was actually a really easy exhaust job. If you want to do one yourself, all you need is like a 10mm. You basically just need a socket set, honestly. Like a 10mm and a 12mm. But I'm really happy with this. I mean, it looks a whole lot better. Now I feel like I need to upgrade more stuff on the outside just because of how much better that thing looks. Well, yeah, if you're looking to replace the exhaust on your 2019 Coleman scooter, I hope this video helped you. It's not a very difficult process. It's mostly just a lot of, well, hoping you don't shear off the bolts, but these bolts are pretty tough on these things. You know, I'm gonna do a quick test drive of this thing, see how it runs. Maybe we'll get a little more performance out of it, who knows? I honestly think that fixed my performance issue, because what was happening is it was almost like the power was halved on it. Like you couldn't hardly go up hills anymore. Because usually I would get around 15 miles going up hills, but I was getting like 10 or less. I'm very impressed with this, and from what I can tell, it actually does seem to run a little better. So for a $50 performance upgrade that is very easy, doesn't require you to take apart the engine, I would highly recommend doing this, and it looks a whole lot cleaner. Because, I mean, this thing sucks. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and this has been the Duke, signing off. Woo! Look at it, try to stabilize itself.